So we are going to solve the next question in the Hackerrank linked list module, which is print in reverse. So printing in reverse is a very basic problem wherein a linked list is given and you have to print the data from the last node till the first node. So if the linked list is 1 to 3, you have to print 3 to 1. So this process can be written very simply. I hope you already have seen my first video wherein I have discussed about the printing of the linked list. In that, the code was the recursive one, and I have written it like this. So first we were printing the data and then we were calling the same function recursively. Now I am just changing the statements, exchanging the statements, not changing but exchanging the statement wherein I am calling the function recursively, and when the recursive calls are completed, then the printing is done. So this way, if I take the example of the same linked list where this is 1, 2, 3 and the next field of 3 is null. So first this function or print function is called, or the reverse print function is called with the address of 1, and then it is called with the address of 2, and then it is called with the address of 3, and then it is called with the address null. Now when the null address is called, this function will terminate, or this recursive call will terminate and will come to this one. In this statement has already been used or called. This was pending, so 3 will be printed here. It now returns to this. For the RP2, this statement has already been called. We now need to print the data. And after this, when we are returning to this RP1, in that case, the first statement has already got executed. We only remain with the second statement, which will print 1. And finally, the control will pass to the calling function. So this way, recursively, by changing the statement, exchanging the statement, you can print the data elements in the reverse order. You can see that the sample test cases have got passed. Let's submit this. All other test cases have also got passed. Thank you so much for watching this video.